Hello and welcome to the blended version of English 92 and English 95, the Reading and Writing Workshop. This blended course is 30% live streamed on Microsoft Teams and 70% available online. This brief tour will guide you through our Brightspace site for the blended course. Let's start right here with the home page. Anytime your instructor posts announcements to the course, you will see those announcements here on the left-hand side of the home page. Your teacher and your classmates and you can post right here in the activity feed anytime. You can add comments or questions or just check in with people. Under the activity feed is the content browser. The first folder is called Start Here Welcome. The folder includes this video tour, a welcome letter to students, information about the required textbook, support and resources, and course outcomes. Go to the welcome letter and read through that first. If possible, print off the letter and keep it in your notes because it will include important details. The Start Here folder also includes a picture of the required textbook, which is available in the ACM bookstore, and will include an access code that you need to register for MindTap. MindTap is the online software that we use in the course. You will also find details about technical support and resources in this Start Here folder, as well as a detailed list of the course outcomes. Let's see what else is in the content browser. Click Course Home at the top left, and then scroll down to the content browser. Under the Start Here folder, you will see a folder called Syllabus and Course Calendar. Learning units, PowerPoints from class, writing assignments, meet your instructor, technical support links, ACM student help desk, course technology accessibility statements, privacy policies. Let's click the syllabus and activity or syllabus and course calendar folder. You will definitely want to print out and keep the activity calendar for the course because this is where everything is listed for your assignments. The course calendar is color-coded. Everything in yellow is related to a writing assignment. Everything in green is a MindTap assignment. Everything in blue is in Brightspace. Click the home icon to go back to the table of contents in the content browser. This is where you will find the Learning Units folder. All 15 units for the course are in this folder. The 15 learning units correspond with the weeks of the semester. Each learning unit begins on Monday and ends on Sunday. So Learning Unit 2 is in week 2 of the semester, which is February 1st through the 7th. Let's look at how each learning unit is set up. In Unit 2, you will see the full list of items. Look at the scroll bar over here. You have to scroll down because there's more content. You will see at the top the learning units. This is what you will be expected to do at the end of that unit. And if we click here, you'll see you'll be pre-writing, note-taking, completing assignments in MindTap, and analyzing word parts. As you scroll down through Unit 2, you will see a link that takes you to the ebook for Chapter 1. Next is a video on how to take Cornell notes, and there's a transcript for that right underneath. Next is a reading assignment called the ABC Daily To-Do List. The quiz for this reading is right underneath. Your grade on that quiz will appear in your grades in Brightspace. Next we have a video in MindTap called Brainstorming. There is a quiz in that video. You'll have to click a little arrow down to access the quiz. It's very short. That also counts as a grade, and your grade will appear in Brightspace. Underneath that is Chapter 2, Approaches to Reading and Writing, and beneath that you will also see a quiz for Chapter 2. At different times in the semester, you'll be asked to post to a discussion board, and those are located in the Discussions tab at the top of the Brightspace homepage. Your first discussion board is due in week 1. It has to do with introducing yourself by creating a video or writing an introduction about yourself. Under Course Tools, you will see Grades. Right now there aren't any grades, but if you ever have questions about your grades, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher and ask. Speaking of your instructor, don't forget to check out the brief bio about your instructor in this tab called Meet Your Instructor. And finally, the last 4 tabs are technical support links and course accessibility statements. Now that you know your way around our Brightspace site, you're off to a great start in this semester. If you have any questions about navigating Brightspace, just email your instructor to get a quick answer. It might take a little practice to get comfortable with Brightspace, but you'll find that it's very easy to navigate. Have a great semester.